Welcome, today in front of me REALME Pad, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the system section. Now just go here to the gestures, and as you can see we got here the swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot section. Tap there, and just to turn on this function, tap once here to the switcher, and now you can just take a screenshot by swapping down with your 3 fingers at the same time. As you can see, we can share with the screen or we can edit them. Just here tap to the screen, and as you can see you can change the size. You can adjust the screen, you can just add the filters, and now as you can see we can just save the copy, and as you can see we got here the message that our screen saved. And you can also then find your screen here in there, I think photos, device photos, or just tap there to the application, and here go to the library, and here you got the screenshots folder, so tap there and okay again. And here we get our screenshots folder, so that's how it looks. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.